Hello everyone. I talked about data types and variables in Python at the former chapter, and I'm going to talk about list during this chapter. Making a list allows us to attribute different values to a variable. It gives a single name to a collection or group of values. This value can include any types such as strings, integers, or it can be another list. Here is an example. I have made some variables here, sal 1, 2, and 3. These are the salaries for 3 employees, and I'm going to make a list of salaries from these variables. So I make it salaries, and for making a list, you need to bring a bracket here, and then I include the variables cell 1, cell 2, and cell 3. Then I print out salaries, which is a list that I already made, and I run the code, and you see here a list of salary has been made. This list includes only numbers. Let's make a list with different kinds of variables. I want to, for example, add some strings here. Then I open a quotation here and put it here. And in the quotation, I type salary 1. And similarly for the second person, salary 2. Remember, uh, for strings, it exactly print out whatever you type there. So I typed $sign here as well because I want to show that these values are in dollar currency. Okay, it's ready to go. Then I run the code, and you get a list here this time, including strings and numbers. At this point, I like to make a list of lists. Um, let's make it, I want to make it more concise. Put brackets on both sides, of each employee. This means that making a list of lists. So you have embedded some lists into a bigger list. And then I run the code. And you see here, you made a list of lists. Well, in this session, I talked about making a list, and I'm going to talk about subsetting lists on next session. Thank you.